Hello everyone. Today's lecture is all about identifying growth opportunities. You've probably heard people say things like keep an eye out for new opportunities. But what does that really mean in business? Spotting growth opportunities isn't about luck. It's about having the right tools and methods to analyze your market and find those hidden chances for expansion. The more skillfully you do this, the better positioned your business will be to thrive in a competitive environment. This lecture will give you enough insights into understanding the importance of identifying growth opportunities. Learn different techniques to analyze your market and spot trends. Identifying ways to assess market demand and how it can influence your business strategy. Developing a mindset to continually look for expansion opportunities. Growth opportunities are areas where your business can expand its reach, whether by entering new markets, launching new products, or targeting new customer segments. These opportunities are vital because they allow businesses to stay competitive, innovate, and increase profits. Without growth, businesses often stagnate or lose relevance in an evolving marketplace. Conducting thorough market research is the foundation for identifying growth opportunities. This involves gathering data on customer preferences, competitor behavior, and industry trends. You can use various tools such as surveys, focus groups, or analytics to understand what your potential customers need and where there might be gaps in the market. A company like Apple constantly conducts market research to understand customer desires. Before launching a new product, they assess whether there is a demand for it by studying trends in consumer technology. A SWOT analysis, looking at your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, is a simple yet powerful tool for identifying growth potential. By evaluating your current position in the market, you can spot areas where you can capitalize on strengths or address weaknesses that open up new paths for growth. A small coffee shop might realize through SWOT analysis that its location strength gives it an edge, but it's missing an online presence. Weakness. This realization could lead to launching an online store opportunity to complement the brick and mortar business. Keeping an eye on emerging trends in your industry is key to staying ahead of the curve. Growth opportunities often arise from shifts in consumer behavior, new technologies, or regulatory changes. Being proactive about these shifts can help you position your business to take advantage of new trends before your competitors do. When Uber and Lyft entered the transportation market, they didn't just compete with taxis. They capitalized on trends in mobile technology and the sharing economy. Spotting these trends early allowed them to reshape the entire industry. One of the most direct ways to identify growth opportunities is by listening to your customers. They are the best source of information about what your business could be doing better or what additional services or products they would like. Regularly gathering and analyzing customer feedback can help you identify new market segments to target or improvements you can make to your existing offerings. Netflix initially started as a DVD rental service. However, by listening to customer feedback and observing changes in technology, they transitioned to streaming service, which propelled their growth significantly. Let's take the example of Airbnb. In its early days, Airbnb was just a small platform for people to rent out air mattresses to attendees of conferences in San Francisco. The founders didn't stop there. They paid close attention to trends in travel and accommodation, noticing that people wanted affordable, unique lodging options when traveling. They saw a huge opportunity in the global short-term rental market. By scaling up their platform to include homes and unique spaces, Airbnb grew from a niche service to a global phenomenon. Growth often comes from seeing beyond your current offering and recognizing larger trends that align with customer needs. Think of identifying growth opportunities like being a surfer. A good surfer doesn't just ride any wave. They look out at the ocean, study the swells, and predict when and where the best waves will form. Similarly, in business, you must study your market and industry to know when the right opportunity will arise. Catch the right wave at the right time, and it can carry your business to new heights. Now that we have covered the basics of identifying growth opportunities, I want you to actively start applying these methods. Pick a company or industry that interests you. Conduct a simple SWOT analysis of that company, identifying its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Then, based on your analysis, suggest one potential growth opportunity for that business. Be prepared to present your findings in our next class discussion. I am eager to hear your thoughts on today's lecture. Was there a technique that stood out to you? Do you see ways these methods can apply to your future career or business plan? Let's discuss your ideas in the comment section. Thank you for your attention today. Next time, we will try to learn how to build and manage strategic partnerships, which is another crucial aspect of business development. Looking forward to seeing you then.